What's happening? Just got done riding Sierra and we checked into Genoa Hot Springs down in Nevada. Oh, Genoa, I don't know what I'm saying.
Start over. Horrible.
We just checked into our timeshare that we're gonna be at for the next week until Christmas. Yeah, it's a pretty big place. It's bigger than our house. And hopefully people will be meeting up. We're down in Genoa, Nevada at the hot springs, David Walley's. We'll get some hot tub time and some pool time in. That'll be cool. Take and bake pizza tonight. See you in a minute. Okay, so one of the things I was noticing was that they put these tape over the door. They put some crazy tape over the door to tell you that the facility has been cleaned. But then I noticed that our dishes weren't all in the cupboards, and there's still dishes. There's still dishes in the washing machine that are dirty. That's not COVID friendly, I don't think. Whatever. I don't know. Nice place, but that was kind of weird. And so the pool is open by reservation only. Same with the restaurant, reservation only. There's other restaurants in town that you can go sit down at. Every restaurant you can get to go from. I'm just cooking up pizza in the kitchen and she's in here just bubble bathing it up. Okay, so we're trying to cook our take and bake pizza, and every time we open the oven, the fire alarm goes off. Terrible thing when you're in a hotel. So we're gonna try to open the oven and see if the alarm won't go off this time. We have all the doors open, and yeah. And that is our take and bake pizza dinner for tonight. After the fire alarm went off like 5 times or 6 times or something. I guess until tomorrow? They're all hanging up Christmas lights. I'm gonna start eating dinner. Pretty cool. One. Okay, act. See? They're doing great. And then I pull out the camera. Oh, Crystal just got it.
Where's he go, dude? That was all you. Look at that though.
Because my mom won't believe that Shasta's in the pool. Or in the pool area. Yeah, dogs allowed during COVID. Dogs allowed during COVID.
Feel alive.
So this is like real chill. It's like below freezing outside and we're in hot tubs. Yeah, it's something else. How do you feel right now? Coming out of the pool. Pretty chilly.
Like this? Go better. Pretty chilly.
Okay, we just got home from David Walley's hot springs and I just got the stuff put on top of the car so that we can go on another adventure. We're bringing snowboards to Colorado and going to see Crystal's parents in New York. And we're not taking the van because it is not ready to go yet. Yeah, we're headed to Ski Cooper in Colorado. It's a little safer bringing the Subaru, and we'll put the bed in the Subaru, the futon mattress. So I'm gonna go to the Kramer's for Christmas dinner, Hawaiian style Christmas dinner. This is my YouTube video from the Kramer's. We're off to Colorado in the morning. Peace. All right, so we're loading up from Tahoe at the Kramer's. Kramer's got us spark plugs and a van life book. The van life book is crucial. It's even suitable for Subaru life right now.